Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing batteries. This prevents shorting. Next, remove the visible Torx T8 security screws and any trim pieces. Once done, use a plastic pry tool to separate the front and back shells. Pry gently from the seams, don't force it, so clips release without breaking. As you open, keep screws and small parts on a single organized tray. You're exposing the PCB and button assembly now, so make sure you have good light and steady hands before proceeding. Once the shell is open, lift the PCB just enough to access the face button area. Disconnect any ribbon cables carefully, noting their orientation for reassembly. Remove the silicone membrane and plastic button caps. These are the moving parts that wear. Clean contact pads with 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free swab if dirty. Install your replacement membrane or cap by aligning the locating pegs and button stems. Press each into place so they sit flush and move freely. To finish, reconnect ribbon cables and set the PCB into its recess. Make sure screw posts line up, then bring the shells together and press the clips until they click. Replace the Torx screws snugly, but do not over-tighten. Reinsert batteries and test every face button. Make sure they click and register input on the console. If a button still sticks or misfires, power off, reopen, and clean the contact area with isopropyl alcohol. If that fails, replace the silicone membrane as the definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.